Hello everyone, my name is Gautam Das, it at the student of Engineering Institute of Junior Executive in the Department of Electrical Engineering third year student. Let we discuss today energy conservation technique in household system. It is a introduction at first of energy conservation technique we will discuss on now. Enter the topic. Energy is a vital part of our daily life. From the moment we wake up until we go to bed, we rely on various electrical appliances and systems in our homes. But how often we do think about amount of energy we consume, or more importantly, the energy we wastage? With rising electricity cost, growing environmental concern, it has become essential for every individual understand and adopting energy conservation energy conservation method, starting from our own household, whether it switching to LED light, turning off appliance when not in use, and use solar system. Each small step contribute to larger impact. This seminar will introduce you to simply practical technique that can be easily applied in our home to reduce energy consumption, save money, protective our environmental. Objective: understand key area of household energy uses, learn practical conservation techno, promote sustainable living. Importance of electrical energy conservation. First, it helps reduce electricity bill by using energy efficient appliances and adopting smart usage habits. Household can significantly lower their monthly electricity consumption. They are directly translate into small electricity bill, something every household can appropriate. Simply steps such as switching off unused light, using LED bulb, and optimizing it uses of heavy appliance can lead to consider saving. Secondary, it decreases the load on the power grid. When many households practice energy conservation, the overall demand on natural and local power grid drops. This extremely important because power grid have a limited capacity. Reducing this load help prevent overloading, which can lead to power cut, voltage drop, or even with space grid features. By being energy considers, we help maintain a more stable and more reliable electricity supply for all. Energy consumption statistics. According global data, average household energy consumption varies significantly from country to country. Fact, developed nation like United States and Canada top list of the annual household electricity consumption reaching over 1000 kilowatt per year. Concert countries like India have a much lower per household consumption, but due to larger population the overall impact sustainable. In this year 2023 to 2024, India produced approximately 1949 terawatt, the about of 25.77%, nearly 501 terawatt, the consumed by household along. By focusing on conservation household live, we can contribute meaningfully the natural energy efficiency and environmental sustainability. Every wattage save help reduce fossil fuel uses, lower carbon emission, prevention our natural resources and future generation. Household electrical load distribution. In this type of household is the consume of various application devices. Lighting account for largest share, around 25% total household electricity uses. Space cooling and fan air conditioner uses 15%. Refrigerator consume 12%. Cooking appliance, washing machine, environmental device, water heater 8 to 10%. Standby and phantom low energy consume devices when they are turned off, but steel plug also contribute 5%. This distribution show us the lighting along make up quarter total household energy uses. So improving efficiency lighting can make a significant impact. Energy efficient lighting. This being us to one of the simplest and most effective way to conserve electricity use energy efficient lighting. So what extremely is electrical efficient lighting? It refers to lighting technologies that consume less electricity while delivering the same and better brightness. The objective is simply maximizing illumination, minimizing power usage. LED light, power composition 5 to 15 watt, lifespan 15,000 to 50,000 hour, efficiency very high. CFL lamp 10 to 20 watt, lifespan 8,000 to 15,000 hour, efficiency very high. Tube light for 14 to 28 watt, 10,000 to 20,000 hour, efficiency very high. Incandescent lamp 60 to 100 watt, lifespan 1000 hour, efficiency very low. As you can see, LED are most efficient and cost effective option. They consume very little power, last much long, and are now widely available affordable. By simply replacing old incandescent lamp, tube light, LED bulb, household can cut lighting related electricity by over 70%. Smart lighting system. Traditional lighting system often stay on even when they are not need. This lead to unnecessary power consumption. Smart lighting system often an integral solution to this problem. This system use motion sensor, daylight sensor, switch lighting on off automatically depending on present and ambient light. Smart bulb, which can be controlled through mobile app, voice assistant, Google or Alexa, allow users dim and schedule lighting based on activities. Timer and timer pressure and ensure lighting are not affect unnecessary and helping us save energy effectively. By using smart lighting, we can significantly reduce electricity wastage while also adding comfort and convenience to our daily life. Energy saving together automation. So what automation? Household automation involved in this use smart device the operate based on timer, motion, temperature or use performance. Their system ensures that appliance and device run only when need, optimizing energy use. Benefit: reduce human error like forgetting to turn off appliance, minimizing standby and phantom power consumption, which often goes unnoticed, allowing customized uses based on real-time condition like weather or occupancy. Example: a smart home equipment with motion sensor, smart plug, and automatic light and reduce 50 to 30%. This means that by simply adopting smart automation, we can save 1000 unit electricity per year, which not only reduce our electric bill but also lower their street on power grid and benefit of the environmental. Air conditioner and fan. Why focus on cooling? In tropical country like India, air conditioner and fan are heavily used, especially during summer months. They are account for a significant part of household electricity bill, which means improving their efficiency can lead to major saving. Ceiling fan and table fan. Switching to energy efficient models such as BLDC motor fan can reduce by more than half, while traditional fan consume 7 to 80 wattage, BLDC fan just 28 to 35 wattage. Cleaning fan blade regularly and turning off fan when not in use can further improving efficiency because fan cooling people not rooms. Air conditioner use BE 5-star rated AC. They are up to 40% more efficient. Set the thermostat between 24 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius. Best balance between comfort and energy saving. Seal door and window properly to prevent cool air from spacing. Cleaning and replace air filter every 15 to 30 days. Maintain efficiency. Use ceiling fan along the AC so you can set the AC at steadily higher temperature without comfort. Their small measure can result in big saving while keeping your home cooling and comfortable. Energy efficiency in refrigerator. Why do refrigerator matter so much? Unlike other appliance, refrigerator run 24-hour day all year long, making them one of the top energy consumer in household. An efficient refrigerator can wastage 100 kilowatt per year. Feature: conservation refrigerator, energy efficiency refrigerator, compressed type fixed speed inverter, energy use 300 to 500 kilowatt, 150 to 2050 kilowatt, cooling control, mechanical, thermostatic, smart sensor, automatic adjustment. Initial cost lower, steadily higher electric bill, impact higher, up to 40% saving. Washing machine and dryer. Why focus on laundry appliance. Washing machine and dryer are major electricity and water consume, especially in urban homes. With smart use, household can reduce energy consumption by 20 to 40%. Dryer. Dryer consume about 1.5 to 2.5 kilowatt per load, which is among the highest for house appliance. Electrical dryers particularly energy intensive. Even possible use sunlight and airflow or natural dyeing it free and eco-friendly. Smart uses run full to use energy efficiently. Use cool water, wash heating water, take additional electricity, avoid per wash cycle unless cloth and extremely solid. Drying cloth naturally. Sunlight your best friend hard. Clean the filter and drum regularly. Keep the machine running efficiently. Kitchen appliance. Our kitchen are packed with devices like microwave, induction cookers, toaster, kettles. Although their usage time may be short, they often operate a high power level and can quickly raise electricity composition if carefully. Energy saving tips in kitchen. Use introduction cooktop. Introduction cook is up to 90% efficient, much better than gas and electrical coil and cooking. It heat the cookware directly, not surrounding air. Boil only what you need. Boiling exists water in kettles, wastage boil both water and electricity. Microwave. For small tasks, microwaves are more efficient than oven for heating and cooking small function. Use tilt while cooking. Use lid, retain heat, reduce cooking time and cut down on energy and gas uses. Phantom load and standby power loss. All also called standby power loss, it refers to the electricity consumed by device every when they are turned off but till plug in. Many of our every electronics like TV, set-top box, charger draws a small amount of power. Support standby feature such as clock, sensor and remote control. For example, TV consume 3 to 5 wattage standby mode, wasting up to 44 kilowatt per year. Set-top box can waste up 88 kilowatt per year. Even plug-in laptop charger can consume power continuously up to 44 kilowatt per year. While this the number of many appears small when the multiple them across several devices in the home, phantom load can account 5 to 10% our total electric bill. What can we do? Unplug device when not in use. Use smart power trips that cut off power automatically. Enable energy saving setting on devices. Solar energy for electricity. Now take about a powerful and sustainable solution. Solar energy. Solar energy harness the sun radiation using photovoltaic panel and convert it directly into electricity. It can clear, renewable and eco-friendly, making it a great option, reducing our dependency on grid power. How does the work? Solar panel absorb sunlight, procedure DC electricity, and inverter then convert in this DC into AC electricity, which is what our household appliance uses. The electricity can either be stored batteries, feedback into the grid, allowing credit on electricity bill. Saving potential. The typically 3 kilowatt rooftop solar system can save around 20,000 to 30,000 annually electricity bill. So investing in the solar energy not only help the environmental but also lead to sustainable saving in the long run. Daylight utilization. Daylight utilization refers to the strategic use for natural sunlight to light up indoor space during daytime, thereby reducing the even illuminating the need of artificial lighting. This is one of the simplest yet most cost effective energy saving techniques. Why does it matter? By maximizing their usage daylight, we not only reduce electricity cost but also cut down on carbon emission. Here are some effective techniques. Use larger window and sky lighting to allow natural lighting into rooms. Option of light colored well and reflective surface and space sunlight depart in indoor. Create obtain flow plant and with flow over well, avoid blocking light. Electrical wiring and load balance. Now shifting focus to the technology side. Electrical wiring and load balance. While this might sound complex, it crucial for safety, efficiency and reducing energy losses. Poor wiring and even load distribution run result in voltage drop, power loss due to resistance overload circuit, avoid essentially higher electricity bill. Load balance. Load balancing in the even distribution of electrical load across the all phase three phase system or across multiple circuit in single phase homes. It prevents overloading and help optimizing energy flow. The benefit: minimizing the overload, reducing power loss, improve appliance lifespan and enhance the power factor, making system more efficient. Use energy audit. An energy audit is a systematic process used to examine how energy is being consumed in a home. It helps us identify opportunities to help electricity reduce wastage. This process involves analyze electrical system, appliance and our daily usage pattern to direct efficient an area where energy might be wasted. Now, why should we conduct an energy audit? There are several key objects behind you doing so. First, determine where and how energy consumed in our household. Second, identify any area where energy use in excessive and unnecessary. Third, the recommended practical and effective solution for saving energy. And finally, improve overall energy efficiency and ensure safety within homes. Beyond the objective of benefit, energy audit can reduce electrical bill, uncovering wasteful uses, improve safety and identify fault appliance and wiring, boost the lifespan appliance through proper usage and maintenance, and grid smart investment by helping and propertize upgrades that trial make difference. Now let me bring this all together. In this conclusion, electrical energy conservation in the household is not just about cutting down cost, it is about adopting the sustainable lifestyle, protecting our natural resources, building a better future for the next generation. By making smart chargers our daily habit, using smart technology, and making informed discuss, such as conducting an energy audit, we can significantly reduce our energy consumption and lower our carbon footprint. For any question, please question for your comment section. Thank you. Visit again.